federal law protects you from being discriminated against or harassed in the workplace if that harassment or discrimination is on the basis of your membership in a protected class. The protected classes are your race, your gender, your age, your national origin, a disability, your religion, or pregnancy.
One of the things that I find is that people don't want to report. So even when it crosses those federally protected lines like race and religion and gender and those sorts of things, they're afraid to report. They're afraid of being terminated. They're afraid of losing their job.
If you wear a beard for religious reasons, or a head covering for religious reasons, or have any other type of situation where you are where you wear different clothing or have different styles because of your religion, an employer has to accommodate you for that.
In most cases, the law is going to find that wearing a beard for religious reasons is in fact a reasonable accommodation the employer is going to have to provide. If the employer doesn't let them do that, that's probably going to be a claim.
One of the foundations of America is religious freedom and just freedom of speech, and that's what it's classified under.
And if an employer terminates you or writes you up for that, that is illegal conduct and the employer can be held responsible for it.
So harassment style claims based on, something like they're giving me a hard time about my disability and joking about it, things of that nature, those can be difficult claims to bring. So attorneys would typically get involved when the harassment gets to a very severe nature.
If your boss is making discriminatory comments towards you, then what you want to do immediately is start documenting that behavior. And you should raise your concerns to human resources or management. If it happens again, then you should reach out and talk to a lawyer because the company is not taking the right steps to protect you.
There's always two sides to every story, right? Because certainly the employer is going to say, we didn't fire that person because of their race. We didn't fire her because she was a woman. We fired her because she was a poor performer or because we were having a reduction in force. We get all these excuses.
If you reach out to talk to a lawyer, most likely to start with, the lawyer is not going to be reaching out to the company. They're going to help guide you through the process to ensure that the company is doing the right thing for you. And if the company is not doing the right thing, then the lawyer might at that point reach out and you're protected. The company can't fire you for you having hired a lawyer to protect your rights.
A plaintiff's attorney that represents employees against employers has a passion for what they do. There's no other way to explain that. You cannot do what we do without having a passion for people, for employees, and for justice.